So this is the workflow where you can get the automated new partners which are added into PartnerStack affiliate platform. It can be used for impact also. It can be used for any other also, because if the API key is available, of course, where you can use the API key to access the new partners which you have already signed the contract with. So let me show you first of all the schedule. It was triggering every week on every Sunday by 4 a.m. for the new partners. So this is the PartnerStack endpoint URL. If I show you here, this is the endpoint URL that you can use. And then, of course, your authentication is the generic credential type, and then the header authentication, which is PartnerStack. So simply you have to use the authorization and bearer and your API key. So the moment you add the API key, and of course, depending upon the number of partners that you have subscribed to, so you will be getting that. And per page, you are getting 100. And nothing else. You simply need to extract this data. And in this one, this is a code actually, which is going to do the parsing of this, getting the company ID, company name, a link and description, and all the items which we'll be getting. So you can see here 10 pages are there, and per page we are getting almost 10. And finally here you have to be very careful. It is you have to use the operation append or update row. So what it will do, if it is an existing partner, so it will update the details of that. And if it is a new partner, so it will add the details of that. So once you choose that, so here it will ask you to match the column for the ID. So partner ID will be unique. So that's why I have selected it here. And then you have to drag and drop all the details. So what will be in Excel sheet, same will be here. So if you copy my Excel sheet, so you will be able to get this over there. So if I now run this, and I can just show you the Excel sheet also. Let me open the Excel sheet together with this. Let me see if any new partner is there. So if I run this, and it is running right now, getting the partner's details. So here you can see 97 items were there. And now it is either appending or adding. You can see here 97 items were there, which it filtered. So existing were there, so it has added other. So of course there are some of the affiliate links which are from other platforms, so that's why I'm these are more than what has come here. So 97 were there, so we have 97 plus some other. You can see all these partners are now added, and now the affiliate link is also there. Now the other workflows will start working, where they will start adding it to the Twitter or Instagram or wherever we want. And you can see here details when this particular link was added or updated. So all of this is added and or updated. You can see here, this is not from the PartnerStack. That's why it did not update it, because this is from Airtable, which is directly A2 hosting is from directly from the A2 hosting. So where I have added the affiliate link directly from there. So this sheet is also available to you. You can use this sheet. You can upload this sheet to Google or Google Sheets. I will share its link with you. And then you can, of course, go to impact also. So check your impact campaigns. So these are all the impact campaigns, and then are the direct affiliates. So I'm using these direct affiliates also. So this way you can get all the affiliate links automatically added. So you can get these affiliate links added automatically, and then you can use the automation platform to generate the video, to generate the blog post, to generate the tweets, or to generate the posts on the LinkedIn or other social media. This was about using the n8n to update your PartnerStack agreements, or to update your PartnerStack URLs, so that you can use the automation for promoting the products to your platforms. So let's continue to next video now.